Hey guys.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to send pictures as snaps on Snapchat, without the person knowing it's from your photo gallery instead of a snap you just took. This is also called fake snapping, and I'll show you how to do it without any filters or signs that it's a picture from your gallery. First, open Snapchat, but here's the thing. If you use a filter, it'll show that a filter was applied when you send the snap. So let's say I send a photo directly from my gallery. It'll show up as just a photo, not a snap, and there won't be any of the typical Snapchat features like filters. Now, to make it look like a real snap, you're going to want to use a third-party app. Go ahead and search for OVF Editor in the App Store or Google Play Store. I already have it downloaded. But once you have it, open the app and click on Photo Video. There will be a few ads, but they're very short, so no worries. After watching the ad, select the photo you want to send as a snap, and you can edit it however you like. Once you're happy with the photo, click the check mark in the top right corner. Next, you'll be asked to crop the photo to fit Snapchat's aspect ratio. There's an option for Snapchat Crop. Select that, adjust the image to fit properly, and click Finish. Now, it'll bring you back to Snapchat, and it will look like a normal snap, without any filters or signs that it was sent from your gallery. You can send it to anyone, and it'll show up as a real snap. Let me show you what it looks like from the receiver's side. When I switch to my other account, you'll see that the snap looks like a regular snap, no filter or indication that it's fake. And that's how you send a picture as a snap on Snapchat. If this video helped you, I'd really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe. Drop any questions in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.